every Christmas, people buy gifts they hope will be useful. But truth is, most of it will be thrown in a drawer by January. Merry Christmas and welcome to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you tuning in. You know, we talked about, a lot of things that you buy for Christmas, it's thrown in a drawer by January. But this year, I want you to give the gift that actually matters. A gift that builds confidence, preparedness, and real-world communication. GMRS. GMRS is the perfect Christmas gift for the non-ham in your life. And there are three massive reasons why. Number one is no studying, no radio test, no hoops to jump through. You simply sign up for an FRN through the FCC's website and then apply for a GMRS license, $35 fee. Super, super simple. And a single GMRS license covers your entire household. Husband, wife, kids, grandparents, everybody. One license for the whole family. Done. Number two. GMRS works when everything else fails. Winter storms, power outages, cell phone towers overloaded on Christmas morning. GMRS keeps talking. Car-to-car trips for holiday travel, keeping in touch while shopping, emergency weather monitoring. It's simple, powerful, reliable communication. And number three, it gets people into radio without overwhelming them. Let's be honest. Ham radio can intimidate beginners. GMRS doesn't. It's the perfect entry point for spouses. Let's see here. Teens. Trying to think. Prepping families. Maybe you're a doomsday prepper. There you go. Outdoors lovers. Maybe you like to go on hikes, things like that. Anyone who needs communication but isn't ready for ham radio yet. And speaking of the perfect gift, if you want a GMRS radio you can trust, don't go the cheap knockoff garbage online. This video is sponsored by BetterSafeRadio, and they're offering 7% off with my coupon code AA4WX7. That's 7% off any orders over $100 or greater. And if you want real gear, the kind I actually trust in emergency situations, BetterSafeRadio has it. They carry quality GMRS models that punch through the noise, cut through the static, and actually work when you need them to. The link is provided below. And back here, you see a couple of HTs. I've got one sitting right there. That is the Oshing, walks on Oshing. Some people call it different things. So this Christmas, don't give junk. Don't give toys that'll break by the new year. Give communication. Give safety. Give independence. Give a radio that anyone can use and your whole family will benefit from. GMRS is the perfect Christmas gift. And if you want to take the next step, that's where ham radio is going to come in. But it all starts here. I'm Josh, AA4WX. Live, learn, transmit. Merry Christmas from the Shack. And welcome to the Shack. Guys, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Subscribing helps this channel grow. And when I do reach 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to have an HF radio giveaway. We're giving away an ICOM IC7300 courtesy of Gigaparts. So really, really looking forward to doing that. We're getting so close. We're getting so close. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. What are you thinking about giving for Christmas? Be curious to hear your comments. Love hearing from you guys. 73s, everybody. AA4WX, WSEB 693.